Python supports a lot of string methods that reduces the need for regular expressions. We'll see about removeprefix and removesuffix string methods. These methods will remove an exact substring from the start and end of the input string respectively. Let us see a few examples. Spare is the input string and the substring to remove is SP. Since this substring is found at the start of the input string, that portion is removed and remaining part of the input is returned as the string output. If I change the argument to PAR, there is no change because even though this is found in the input string, it is not at the start of the string. So this portion is not removed. Similarly, let us see an example for removesuffix method. So ME matches at the end of the input string, so that is removed. Another thing to note is it will remove only one occurrence. Even if there are multiple occurrences at the end, only once that part will be removed. And here's a failing case. Even though EM matches some part of the input string, it is not at the end of the string. So this is not removed. On the other hand, the strip methods treat the argument as a set of characters to be matched any number of times in any order until a non-matching character is found. So let me give an example. So removesuffix and removeprefix methods will match the given argument exactly at the start or end. So these three characters ESM can be found at the end of the input string, but the order is different. So this is not removed. On the other hand, if we use the rstrip method, the input argument is treated as a set of characters to be removed in any order. So ESM. So S matches, E matches, M is again a match, E, M. So these 5 characters are removed. Space is not one of these characters. So removal stops at this particular point. So hope you found removeprefix and removesuffix string methods a useful topic to know, and what is the difference between strip methods.